Okay, so I've been on a 3-day vacation, a getaway rather, to celebrate my birthday. I went to Destin and I've already uploaded like a little short or what have you about that, but I'm going to go ahead and harvest my sweet potatoes because as you can see on a different short that I did, they were massive. So I'm really scared about what I'm about to walk into, but I went ahead and harvested just a few things, and I'm gonna have to come out tonight when the sun kind of goes down. It's gonna be almost 90 degrees today, and I actually stayed in the bed too late, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out now. Well, this one, I'm gonna get the green beans later. Let me go get my wheelbarrow. Hold on. This was my experiment container where I planted an entire sweet potato after I got all the slips off of it that I needed. So I just put the entire sweet potato in here. So yeah, I'm a little scared. Just to give you an idea how long this has been in here, it's been in here since the last week of April. I can see where the container is bulging out. If you can see right there, it's bulging out right there. So I don't know what I'm about to come into. So yeah, I'm gonna move this out the way and put my tarp down. Look, the roots are coming down through the container into the ground. Child. Oh my gosh, it's a gazillion, quadrillion, fulfillion ants. Oh my, that's an entire colony. What do you do if there's a quadrillion ants? Oh wow, look at this shell. I thought it's in my chickens too. Well, I know what I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna stick my hand in there. Breaking apart pretty good. So with my experiment, can you get sweet potatoes for just planting in a potato? Yes, you can. Because there are potatoes in here. Oh, right here. Look at that thing. And it was not this size when I put it in here. Oh, wow. So this is Mama Potato, who was like nowhere near this size when I put her in the ground. Well, in the container, I should say. She was probably a fourth of this size. Look at her now. So this is Mama Potato, and these are her babies. So these are her offsprings. Let me put you here. one potato, just sowed the entire potato after she had given me some slips, and she produced all those baby potatoes. Now I gotta conquer this, and this is from slips only. Let me check the temperature. I ain't trying to be out here passed out. Okay, it's 79 degrees. Yeah, we had fun. We had fun. You know, thigh stick. Don't get those thighs. So this will be my last harvest. Well, actually, I got another one I need to harvest. I got 2 more tubs I gotta harvest. I'm doing this one right now. Yummy. I'm about to dig into this earth and harvest my potatoes. Go on in that chicken coop so the chickens can eat you. Oh, look at the frog. They're so little. Ah! Ah! What is chasing me? Looky, looky, looky. Oh, snap. Okay, you can see where I'm stuck. You see where I'm stuck right there? It's stuck under there. So I have to dig that out. I'll sit you over here in the shade so my camera won't overheat. That's you, Mr. Frog. Sorry, baby. I gotta get these potatoes. I'm gonna harvest all these, and then come back. Okay, so this is the harvest from that container and that bed. I can't remember exactly how many slips these are, but the great big ones are from the actual garden bed that was in earth. Well, we know I can get some ginormous ones from containers that big as well. I've already put that in a short. But yeah, so I have 2 more containers of sweet potatoes to harvest. And now, but first I gotta clean up. They like eating those greens. All right, 1 bucket down. I say 1 more to go. These damn bees. Sorry, guys. Good child. They're aggressive. I'm just gonna pull these pepper plants out as well. I already got stung by a jellyfish the other day. There you go. This in here. Try not to put it in the sun. I'm gonna take this to the front of the house and harvest this in the front of the house in the shade. I'm so sorry. Are you asleep? I feel so bad. He's asleep, I guess. All right, let's go harvest. So I've gone ahead and harvested this container. That's my result. Well, that's my yield. And this is my last container that was near the greenhouse. So we're going to harvest this one and see what that looks like. So before we add this container, this is my yield. All right, let's dig in. Ooh, look at here, baby. Oh my, this is huge. Oh my word, this thing is massive. Oh my goodness gracious. You see this? No wonder I can't pull these up. Huge. Okay, so next year, container garden, container potatoes all day. The ones in the ground. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. Okay, let's do the other one. Well, I'm good on sweet potatoes. All right, so this is my harvest. And I did pretty good. My sweet potato harvest, I've already gifted some away. And I'm going to give some more, especially like this gigantic one right here. I'm going to give that one to a lady I know who loves to cook. But yeah, so stay tuned. All right, thank you for watching my sweet potato harvest, and as always, with love, Issa. Peace.